Tar, you got it right. Tar. I'm on top.
All four of them were up. What if we did
Finish
it at the same time?
Somebody put me in.
I think my tires are the worst thing ever.
Ever
What the
and
hell?
ever.
Yeah, a lot of they just went away like immediately.
Yeah, that's the same thing's happening there.
I tell you, we'll switch the body after this.
Go switching.
Okay.
No, you can't do that. Can't do that.
1 minute left.
Sounds like you're rubbing the gears in there.
Halfway through the heat.
Jake.
Oh, yeah, I hear the pin, yeah. It's the pin, but still, the tires are the issue.
Well, that car is pretty slow.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Hey.
Well, he's driving tonight. Come on, man. Jesus isn't here. Jose, he's here.
Oh, wow.
Wow, look at that guy. Talk about me, huh? Who's in the flat hole there?
10 seconds left.
Wow.
Everybody's sliding now.
Yeah, now everybody's swinging them out.
Red
Oh,
flag.
yeah. Just missed.
Heat over.